Hello, everyone. I'm sure you are feeling much better after sprinkling magic dust on everyone yesterday, right? And today we are going to do the magic practice, which is day 11, a magic morning. So, today I hope you started your day expressing gratitude from the moment you woke up, right? As we read it yesterday. So, let's start our practice for the day and understand what we need to do throughout the day. Let's start. So let's start day 11, a magic morning. In this picture, you can see there's a washroom, there are towels kept. And basically, today it's all about a magical morning where you need to express your gratitude from the moment you wake up to everything you touch and feel. Be it your washroom, your kitchen, bottle, water bottle, everything that you touch, you need to express your gratitude from the moment you wake up. Okay, so when you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love, right? Every day we keep on running. From the moment we start our day, we are always in a rush. बस भागते रहते हैं अपना एक एक chores करते 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 करते. But today you need to stop, take a pause and feel alive. Think about it. Enjoy every moment, right? So, the easiest and simplest way to ensure that your day ahead will be filled with magic is to fill your morning with gratitude. See, the moment you wake up, if you fill it with gratitude, if you fill it with, positivity, you are going to have a great day ahead. You are already ensuring that. ठीक है, एक अच्छे मूड से अगर आप स्टार्ट करते हो अपने दिन का शुरुआत, अगर आप अच्छे मूड से काम पे जाते हो तो आपका पूरा दिन अच्छा ही जाता है. और आप एक फाइट करके, आर्ग्यूमेंट करके अगर आप घर से निकलते हो, then throughout the day we face a lot of problems because we started our day with a negative attitude, right? So when you incorporate gratitude into your morning routine, you will feel and see its magical benefits throughout the day. एक दिन करके देखो, you'll feel magical and then you'll start doing it daily. Each morning is full of opportunities to give thanks and it doesn't slow you down or take any extra time because you can do it naturally as you go about everything you do. ये extra time नहीं लेता, extra effort नहीं लेता, आपको बस अपना lifestyle में इसको incorporate करना है to be kind, to be grateful, right? You need to bring it naturally into your life. ठीक है कि flawlessly ऐसे ही आप बन जाओगे. A person full of gratitude. There is an added bonus to filling your morning with gratitude because your daily routines are the times when you can harm yourself the most by thinking negative thoughts without realizing you're doing it. There is no room for harmful negative thoughts when your mind is focused on looking for things to be grateful for. तो जैसे ही आपका mind अट्रैक्ट करेगा सारी अच्छी चीजों को, इफ यू लुक फॉर थिंग्स फॉर विच यू फील प्रिविलेज, यू फील फॉर्चुनेट, आपका ध्यान ही नहीं जाएगा नेगेटिव थॉट में. यू वोंट हार्म योरसेल्फ एंड योर लाइफ, राइट? आफ्टर दिस प्रैक्टिस you will go into your day feeling much happier and more confident that the day ahead will be great. And that's when you will see the magic happen before your very eyes. तो आज आपको अपना दिन का शुरुआत ग्रैटिट्यूड से करना है and throughout the day you need to express your gratitude and you will feel it deep inside that you're feeling so good, happy and confident. You'll feel magic is happening all around you because अच्छा thoughts आएगा, अच्छी चीजें अपने साथ होंगी. Right? When you wake up to the new day today, before you move, before you do a single thing, say the magic word, thank you. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive. That's a privilege. If you sleep in the night and wake up in the morning properly, safely, with good health, you should feel privileged. Okay? You have a house to live in, protected and secured. You should feel privileged. Say thank you for the fact that you are alive and that you have been given another day of life. Your life is a gift and every day is a gift. When you really think about it, it's conceivable that any of us would wake up in the morning without giving thanks for another day. अगर आप अपने लाइफ को इस तरीके से लेके जाओगे, बिकॉज आवर लाइफ इज अ गिफ्ट, ईच एंड एवरी डे इज अ गिफ्ट टू अस. द मोमेंट यू रियलाइज दिस, आपको अपने आप ही ग्रैटिट्यूड फील होने लगेगा. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आप अगर एक दिन भी ये स्टार्ट करोगे, ये वाला प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करोगे, तो ऐसा कोई भी दिन नहीं जाएगा जब आप एक thankful attitude से नहीं उठोगे, it will become your lifestyle. If you think a new day isn't such a big deal, then just try missing one. It doesn't matter how sleepy you are or if your alarm has woken you up for work, you have slept in during the weekend. The moment you wake, say the magic words, thank you for another day of your life. Because trust me, if you're waking up with good health, you are fortunate. And be grateful for that, okay? Say thank you for the good night's sleep you received. Are you fortunate enough to have slept in a bed with sheets and a pillow? Thank you. As your feet hit the ground, say thank you. Do you have a bathroom? Say thank you. Are you able to turn on the taps and immediately receive fresh, clean water every morning? Say thank you. Right? Every day. These are small, small, little things, but feel privileged, feel fortunate to have everything in place. Right? Imagine all the people who dug the trenches and laid the pipes across your country, throughout your city, and along all the streets to your home so that you can turn the tap and receive beautiful, clean, hot water. Thank you. Right? आपको just, within fraction of seconds आपको गर्म पानी मिल जाता है, hot water is available, cold water is available, soap is available, pipeline is properly set. कितने लोगों का उसमें काम हुआ है, right? Say thank you for that. As you reach for your toothbrush, toothpaste, say thank you. Without them, your day would not begin so pleasantly, right? It's so important to brush your teeth every day. Should be fortunate enough to get everything in place. Your toothpaste, your toothbrush, everything. For the towels, for the soap, the mirror, everything in the bathroom you use that makes you feel fresh, awake and ready for the day. Every day you use it, but every day we forget to feel fortunate. But today is the day when you will acknowledge and appreciate every single little thing in your life, right? As you get dressed, think about how fortunate you are to have clothes to choose from and wear. Thank you. Think about how many people must have been involved in making all the various items of clothing you put on and wear every single day. It's likely that the clothes you put on in one day come from many countries across the planet. So thank you to everyone who were involved in making my clothes, right? Do you have shoes? Lucky you. Imagine life without them. Imagine life without shoes, slippers, sandals. कैसा होता अपना life, right? But ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें जो day to day हम लोग देखते हैं and we never appreciate it कि जिसने बनाया, thank God उसने ये बनाया. Thank God it's with us, right? Because without them, can you imagine your life? Without clothes, can you imagine your life? No, right? So thank you for the shoes, for the clothes and everything around. I've always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start, with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere behind the morning. Every day we should wake up with delightment, with a new perspective, with new ideas, with the motive of making your day beautiful, much more beautiful than the past, right? So that should be our motive. Through the magic gratitude, you can actually bring magic into your life, right? Make today as good as it can be by practicing concentrated gratitude and putting the magic into your morning routine. आज concentrated gratitude देना आपको कब morning routine में, आप जब से उठे हो तब से लेकर आप work में जा रहे हो, उस समय तक आपने जो भी चीज यूज किया सबके लिए आपको gratitude करना है, right? From the moment you open your eyes until you have put your shoes on or finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch and use. It doesn't matter if you don't shower or get dressed first thing in the morning, you can still use this magic morning practice as a guide and apply it to whatever your morning routine is, right? अगर आप योगा कर रहे हो, अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में एकदम उठते ही नहीं नहाते हो और आप बाकी चीजें करते हो, तो उन सब के लिए भी थैंक यू करो, right? If you wake up and eat breakfast first, then as you touch and use each thing for the breakfast, say the magic words thank you. For the coffee, for the tea, for the juice, for the breakfast, everything, who has made it, everyone, you should express your gratitude. They make your morning so enjoyable and give you energy for the day, right? Be grateful for the kitchen appliances you use for your breakfast, like your refrigerator, plates, oven, toaster, coffee maker, kettle, everything that you use to make your morning breakfast. Every day without exception, I say thank. As I put one foot on the floor and you, as my other foot touches the floor. Thank you. So that as both feet touch the floor for the first time each day, I have said thank you for the new day. Thank you that I woke up. Thank you for the new experience right? One more extra day you are getting. As I walk towards my bathroom, I say the magic words thank you in my mind with each step. Then I continue saying thank you in my mind as I use everything in my bathroom. By the time I am dressed and ready for the day, I feel so happy that I could jump for joy and excitement. And when I feel that happy, I know my gratitude has worked and I'm guaranteed to have a magical day, right? The moment you start doing your gratitude practice, inner feeling will come that you are happy inside. And उसी से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपका पूरा दिन बहुत अच्छा जाने वाला है. और अगर आप उस पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड से अपने दिन का शुरुआत करोगे तो then 200% कि आपका दिन बहुत अच्छा जाएगा. As I go through my day, I really feel as though I have a magic power with me because one good thing after another happens. Trust me, it will happen. राइट एंड अगर कुछ बुरा चीज हो भी जाए ना तो आप उस सिचुएशन को इतने कामली रिस्पॉन्ड करोगे कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो क्योंकि आपने अपना दिन का शुरुआत बहुत पॉजिटिवली किया था. एंड as one good thing happens, I'm even more grateful, which speeds up the magic with even more good things happening. You know those days when everything just seems to be right for you, right? Well, that's what it's like after doing Magic Morning, but multiplied. Trust me, कोई दिन ऐसा होता है ना कि feel very good. कभी लोग बोलते हैं ना आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Today I'm feeling very nice. Today I'm feeling very energetic. Because you must be, expressing gratitude unconsciously also, right? तो आप अगर ये चीज प्रैक्टिस करोगे डेली, देखना आपका लाइफ कितना ड्रास्टिकली चेंज होगा, राइट? सो टुडेज मैजिक प्रैक्टिस नंबर 11, which is a magic morning. When you wake up to the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words thank you. From the moment you open your eyes until you have finished getting ready, say the magic words thank you in your mind for everything you touch, feel, use, every damn thing. Okay? Then the regular practice, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, why you are grateful, reread your entire list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you are. And then before you sleep, hold your magic rock in one hand and say thank you for the best thing that has happened during the day. So this was all about the magical morning, and be happy. So today is the day when you should feel alive, you should feel excited for the new day, for new ideas and everything around, right? So express your gratitude and have a magical day ahead. Thank you. Stay tuned for the magic practice number 12.